Kwa jina la heshima dadangu, na matamshi aliyosema ya kwamba hapa tunaongea juu ya baba Raila Odinga, bila alivyosema, je, ni sawa ama si sawa? Nataka kujua kutoka kwake, na kama si sawa anaweza kuondoa maneno hayo.
It's okay,
na kaomba msamaha.
Senator Karen, the motion before the floor is the National Dialogue Committee. It's got nothing to do with Honorable Raila Odinga. We are not here to discuss the personality of
Thank you, sir.
Honorable Raila Odinga.
Mr. Speaker, I'm guided.
Thank you.
As I was saying in conclusion, the issue of winner takes it all in our election has been a thorn in the flesh, and if this dialogue is going to address this issue once and for all, I support the creation of the official opposition so that we can keep so that we can keep the election loser, Mr. Speaker, so that we can keep the election loser legitimate and accountable and busy. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Oburu.
Yeah, thank you, Mr.